Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing some tips on how to fix ear speaker problems in your device POCO M5. So in POCO M5, if you're facing any problem related to your ear speakers, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your ear speaker problem in your device.